was Dwayne. Um, so I've been struggling with some teeth issues, and it came to a point where I was like, I didn't even want to smile no more. Really didn't like to smile. I would go outside wearing a mask or like a ski mask or just like a regular mask, just anything to kind of like, cover my mouth so people don't see how bad my teeth were. And I was just running out of options, man, and didn't know what else really to do to fix the issue. So I ended up coming across pop-on veneers, and I was like, all right, let me give it a try because this is how my teeth look. So I gave them a try, and to my surprise, man, it was probably one of the best choices of my life right now because now I got my confidence back, and I feel a lot better, and I'm able to smile and just have that confidence, man. You know what I mean? But just show you guys real quick that it's real, it's legit, it works. This is how it looks with them on. They just snap right in, perfect fit. I love it. Thank you guys for helping me get my smile back.